Hi everyone, welcome to back the channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Today, we bring you a detailed look at the all-new 2025 Jeep Compass, a vehicle that blends modern engineering with the kind of practicality and purpose that aligns beautifully with our values as Muslims. Whether you're someone looking for a family vehicle to take on your everyday journeys or seeking a reliable companion for long travels, inshallah, this review will give you everything you need to know. Let's begin by reflecting for a moment. As Muslims, we're encouraged to use our resources wisely, to avoid extravagance, and to choose what brings benefit. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, reminded us in many ahadith about the virtues of moderation and simplicity. So when we talk about a modern vehicle like the 2025 Jeep Compass, it's not just about luxury or status. It's about how it serves us, helps us fulfill our responsibilities, and how we can be stewards of what Allah has entrusted us with. Now, let us dive into the features and capabilities of this 2025 model. Engine and performance. The 2025 Jeep Compass comes with an upgraded engine lineup. It includes a 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine and an optional 2.0-liter diesel engine. Depending on the region, Jeep has made improvements in fuel efficiency and emissions, which is a welcome move in caring for the environment, as something we're also taught to respect in Islam. The power delivery is smooth, and the Compass handles both city roads and light off-roading with grace. If you're someone who travels to remote areas for dawah, Islamic teaching, or visiting family in the countryside, this car's capabilities can truly help you in those journeys. Design and exterior. The exterior of the 2025 Jeep Compass is elegant and modest and not too flashy, yet confident. It features a refined grille, LED headlamps, and a strong stance that speaks of durability. In Islam, we're reminded not to indulge in arrogance through our possessions, so this vehicle doesn't shout for attention. Instead, it speaks of utility and balance. It's a vehicle you'd be proud to own without feeling excessive. Interior and comfort. Now let's talk about the interior. The 2025 Compass is designed to give both comfort and utility. It features soft-touch materials, an updated dashboard layout, and ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. For families, especially those with children or elderly members, comfort is crucial. The rear seats are adjustable and offer great lumbar support. Whether you're traveling for a ride with family or going to a masjid in another city, this SUV ensures your journey is peaceful and comfortable. The boot space is generous, allowing you to carry prayer mats, Qurans, snacks for the kids, and even gifts when visiting relatives. Technology and features. Technology, when used with the right intention, is a blessing. The Compass comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This means you can listen to the Quran, Islamic lectures, or nasheeds on the go. Imagine driving to Fajr prayer while listening to Surah Al-Mulk, or having a peaceful long drive while listening to Asad Noman Ali Khan or Mufti Mank. It transforms the way we use our travel time.